Hello, good morning children. Welcome back to maths class. Myself, Shani. Okay, so which topic we were discussing children? Remember? Yes, we were discussing the topic called fraction. Yes or no? Which topic we were discussing children? Yes, we were discussing with the chapter called fraction, and in that what all we have learned? What all you have learned children? Yes, you have learned the definition of fraction. Yes or no? What is fraction? It is a part of a whole. So we define the fraction as a part of a whole, and we have seen how to represent the fraction. How children? Yes, we are going to represent the fraction using the numerator and the denominator. Okay, that we have seen the types of fraction. And in the last class, we have solved the exercise. In that, we have seen how to write the fraction for the shaded part, how to write the fraction of unshaded parts. So on, we have finished. So, in today's class, we are going to see about comparison of fractions. So, which topic we are going to see children? Yes, we are going to see about comparison of fractions. So before going to that, what do you mean by compare? What do you mean by compare children? Means what you understand by the word comparison. Tell in your own language, try to understand it. Yes, you will say comparison is nothing but means we are going to tally the things. Means which is the greatest, which is the smallest. Okay. And in mathematics, we have some symbols for comparisons like this symbol, we call it as lesser than, and this symbol we call it as greater than, and this we call it as equals to. So this we call it as equal to. So mainly in mathematics we have three symbols for comparison. So first this symbol we say it as lesser than, this we call it as greater than, that this symbol we call it as equal to. Okay, shall we start how we have to compare the fractions? So in normal whole numbers, easily you can compare, suppose 25 30. So how we are going to compare children? How you are going to compare? In the first chapter I have explained you how to compare the numbers. So first you have to see the first digit of first number and first digit of the second number. Now you can see it is 2 and it is 3. So which is the greatest? Yes, you all know 3 is the greatest, and you make open angle. That means you are going to make the open angle to that number. So now likewise you have to compare the fractions. Okay, shall we take some example? So in fraction you will be having two types of comparison. So in fraction we are going to get two types of comparison. That is first type when the numerators are same, how to compare. When the denominators are same, how to do the comparison. I am going to explain. So now first when numerators are same, at that time how you have to compare? Let us say, okay, let me take two numbers, 5 divided by 7 dash, then 5 divided by 9. So you all know 5 by 7 is one fraction, and you all know 5 by 9 is one fraction. So now what the condition is given here children? When numerators are same, how you have to compare? Yes, right, it's very easy. When you have the numerator same, you have to see the denominator values, because you cannot say 5 and 5 they are equal. So you should leave this numerator, go to the denominator. What are the values of the denominator? They are 7 and 9. So in denominator the values are 7 and 9. But when numerators are same, you have to choose the smallest number as greatest. Okay, it's very simple. So wherever the denominator value is less, that's why you have to make the open angle. Try to understand it, children. How to do? Don't blindly put 5 by 9, 5 by 7, 5 by 9. Don't put like this. When the numerators are same, this will be wrong. Why? Because the condition is like that only. Means when you divide these two numbers, 5 by 7 and 5 by 9, you are going to get the 5 by 7 value more than the 5 by 9. That's why. So when numerators are same, then you have to choose the smaller of the denominator value. Then what you have to do? Choose smaller of denominator value. So you have to choose the smaller of the denominator value, that is 7 and 9, and 7 is the smallest. That side you have to make the open angle. So this is all about when numerators are same. So likewise, now we are going to see when the denominators are same. So now next type, when denominators are same. So at that time what you have to do, children? So now I will write 9 by 8 dash 15 by 8. So now you all can see numerator have the different values. Here it is 9 and here it is 15. Whereas see the denominator values. So both the denominators are 8, 8. So when denominators are same, at that time choose greatest of numerator value. So greatest of numerator value. So now what is the condition for this children? When the denominators are same, then at the time you have to calculate the numerator values. So in that you have to take the greatest number. So here it is 9 and here it is 15. Which is the greatest children? Yes, it is 15. So you have to make open angle that side. They are very simple. Try to understand. Okay. Shall we move to the exercise, children? It is in page number 63. So please all of you open your class workbook and textbook. Whatever I am giving you need to write in your class work. Don't do in the textbook. Whichever bit I say to do in the reader book, then only you have to do. Okay. So this is all about the comparison of fractions. In that you are going to get two types. One type is when numerators are same, and the second type when the denominators are same. Okay. Now we will move to the exercise 5.2 and it is in page number 63, children. So open it. You need to write that. So page number 63 you have the exercise 5.2. So in that first question, first bit is fill in the gaps using what is this symbol, children? How to read it? We read it as a greater than, or we read it as a smaller than or lesser than sign. So we read it as greater than, this we read it as smaller than. So in that first question, so 3 by 5, one fraction is 3 by 5 and the second fraction is 3 by 7. So now children try to do it. It's very simple. So first you have to see the numerator values, then you have to see the denominator values. So now you see the numerator. So in numerator the values are same. So here also it is 3, here also it is 3. So what we have to do, children? Yes, we have to move to the denominator and see the values in the denominator. Here it is 5, here it is 7. So when the numerators are same, what condition I have told? Means how to choose the number? Yes, you have to choose the number, means denominator number smaller. So now now here 5, here it is 7. So which is the smaller? 5. So make the open under that side. Okay. Then second example, 9 by 15, 9 by 15, then 9 by 11. So again you all can see children, numerators are same. Okay. What you have to do? See the denominator value. From that you have to choose the smallest value. So here it is 15 and here it is 11. So 11 is the smallest. Make open under that side. Then question number 3. 4 by 7. 4 by 7. Then 4 by 5. So will you try children? Please try. Again you can see numerator values are same. So go to the denominator and there you have to choose the smallest number. So 7 and 5. Which is the smallest? Yes, 5 is the smallest. You have to make the open angle that side. Shall we move to the next question? Yes, question number 4. So here it is 5 by 12. 5 by 12 then 7 by 12. So can you see the change children? Change in question? Okay. First 3 were numerators same. Whereas now fourth question you all can see numerators are different and denominators are same. So shall we use the same procedure? No. You should not use the same procedure. When the denominators are same, I have told you how to choose the number. So how you are going to choose children? Yes, you have to choose the greatest of the numerator value. So now see here it is 5, here it is 7. So which is the greatest of the numerator? Yes, it is 7. So make open angle that side. Okay. Now question number 5. Question number 5. 6 by 17. Then 3 by 17. So now again it is similar to the question number 4 because the denominators are the same. So see the numerator of the greatest value. Yes, it is 6. So make open angle that side. Next, sixth question. 5 by 90 and then 11 by 90. So please try it children. Again denominators are same. See the numerator, which is the greatest value? Yes, it is 11. So make open angle that side. Simple, no? They are very easy. Next, shall we move to the next question? Question number 7. So next we have the question number 7. 12 by, question number 7 is 12 by 21. Then 12 by 15. So again the question is going to change children. So 4, 5, 6. In question number 4, 5, 6, denominators were same. Again question number 7. Again question number 7. You have the numerators same. So again you have to use that procedure. Means you have to choose the smallest of the denominator value. So which is the smallest here children? Yes, here 15 is the smallest. Make the open angle that side. Again question number 8. 11 by 17. Then 11 by 15. So again here numerator same children. Choose the smallest of denominator value. Again here 15 is the smallest. Then question number 9. So 6 by 11. Then 6 by 15. So again numerator same. Choose the smallest. Here 11 is the smallest. Make the open angle that side. They are very simple. So whatever I am writing, please you have to write in your classroom children with the date you need to write. Okay. Then what is the next question? 10. 14 by 23. Then 5 by 23. So again you all can see your denominators are same. So what to do children? Try it. Please try to do. It is very simple. So when denominators are same, you have to see the greatest of numerator. have to see the greatest numerator. So here 14, here it is 5. So 14 is the greatest. Okay. Then 11th question. So 17 by 20 and 12 by 20. So again same children, 17 and 12 you have to complete. 17 is the greatest. Okay. Then last question. So 11 by 15, 11 by 15 and 8 by 15. So here also you can see children, 15, 15 denominators are same. So in numerator you have to choose the greatest value. So 11 is the greatest value. So make the open angle that side. So this is all about the comparison of fractions. How to compare. Okay. I hope children you all understood. So now we are going to discuss about equivalent fraction. So now we are going to discuss about the equivalent fraction. Already I have given the definition in my previous class children. In detail we are going to study about the equivalent fraction in today's class. So I hope you all wrote in your class homework. Okay. So can you tell children about equivalent fraction? What you have understood? What you people have understood? Okay, I tell you. Equivalent in the sense equal. Equi is nothing but equal children. So once again I am going to give the definition. Please you have to write it. Okay. So now again we are going to discuss about equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. So what is the definition children? Fractions which indicate the same value. So here what is the definition? Fractions which indicate the same value are called said to be equivalent fractions. So it's very simple children. So what is the definition? Fractions which indicate the same value are said to be equivalent fractions. Like example children, here 2 by 3. So one more example I am going to give. 4 by 6. Can you tell children whether 2 by 3 is equivalent to 4 by 6? Yes, I can. They are equivalent. How children? How to clarify? Yes, you all know when you simplify 4 by 6, you are going to get the same value. So simplify it. You all know 4 and 6 is going to come in which table? It is going to come in 2's table. So divide 4 by 2. So you are going to get it as 2. Again divide this is 6 by 2. You are going to get it as 3. So now you all can see 2 by 3 is equal to the 2 by 3. So you can say 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6. So now in my next explanation I am going to tell how to get the equivalent fraction. They are very simple children. So how I have wrote this 4 by 6? Any idea? Yes, I tell you. This 2 by 3. So to get the next equivalent fraction, you have to multiply the number for both numerator and the denominator. Means you have to multiply the same number. So you all can say I have multiplied this 2 with 2. Again this denominator with 2. So in numerator and the denominator we have to multiply the same number. So now you can write the next equivalent fraction as 2 to the it is 4. Then 3 to to both numerator and denominator, then you are going to get the equivalent fraction. So suppose if you multiply here 2, if you multiply here 3, like so. Suppose if you multiply 2 and second time if you multiply 3, then you are not going to get the equivalent fraction. So this is very important point, children, keep in mind. To get the equivalent fraction, you need to multiply same number to the numerator and the denominator. Like I have multiplied into 2 means the same number you have to multiply. So how to get the next equivalent fraction, children? Again, to get the next equivalent fraction, so suppose it is 2 by 3. So next equivalent fraction, how you have to get? Here you have multiplied by 2. So next time you can multiply by 3. So you can multiply by 3 and you all know 2 3s are 6 and you all know it is 3 3s are 9. So when you simplify 6 by 9, again you are going to get the value 2 by 3. Shall we simplify? Okay. So you all know 6 and 9. In which table they are going to come? Yes, increase table. Okay. And you all know 3 2s are this. 3 2s are 6. And you all know it is 3 3s are 9. So or you can see it is also 2 by 3. And again here question is also 2 by 3. It's very simple topic, children. I hope you all understood what is the equivalent fraction. Means this 4 by 6 is going to indicate the same value. Though it looks different, but when you simplify it, you are going to get the same value. Okay. So please write down the definition, children, and we will see the exercise related to this equivalent fraction. So what is equivalent fractions? Fractions which indicate the same value. Fractions which indicate the same value are said to be equivalent fractions. So I have explained you how to identify and how to get the equivalent fraction. For the identification, you can simplify or else you can cross multiply. You can cross check. Means whether the fractions are equivalent or not. And how to get the equivalent fraction? Next equivalent fraction is you have to multiply the number with same number to the numerator and the denominator. With that example, I will show you how to get the next equivalent fraction and how to clarify, means how to check whether the fractions are equivalent or not. Okay. So now equivalent fraction exercise 5.3. So page number 65. Page number 65, exercise 5.3 is the children. Please you need to write it. So in this first way, complete this series. So they have given some series. So you need to complete them. So in that first question, it is 2 by 3 is equals to 4 by 6 is equals to, they have given the box empty, then they have given 9, then 8, then your box empty. So I told you, children, how to get the equivalent fraction? Yes. So first time, what they have done, how they have got 4 by 6? How they have got this 4 by 6? Yes. So they have took this number 2 by 3. With that, to get 4 by 6, they have multiplied into 2 to the both number. Then they have got the 4 by 6. So now here it already is 9. So now again take 2 by 3. Again you have to take this first number only, children. Don't take the second number. Okay? Don't get confused. You have to compare with the first number only. So now 2 by 3. So already it is 9. So with this 3, what you should multiply? What you have to multiply? Yes, you have to multiply 3. Then only you will get 9. So when you multiply the denominator with 3, the numerator also should be multiplied by 3. So now 2 3s are 6 and here it is 9. So already here 9 is given, children. So which is missing? 6. So that you need to write. Okay. Then next, how to get this box? How to get this box, children? Again, you take the number 2 by 3. Again, this same number 2 by 3 you have to take, and already it is 8. So, what you have to multiply with the 2 to get 8? Yes, you all know. It is multiplied with 4. So, you all know 2 4s it is 8, children. So, now same number 4 you have to multiply with denominator. So, you all know 3 4s it is 12. Okay. So, already 8 is given. So 12 is missing. This 12 you should write. Okay. It's very simple, children. So first time they have multiplied with 2 2. Second time they have multiplied with 3 3. And for the third time they have multiplied with 4 4. Okay. Complete you should write. So that you should not get confused from where this 16, from where this 12 came. Okay. Please complete. Whatever I have told before, you need to copy in your class notebook and then read way. Okay. Shall we see the second example, children? What is the second? 5 by 7. Second is 5 by 7. So heading remains the same, children. Heading remains the same. Second it is 5 by 7 equals to box when they have given 14 equals to 15 when they have given the box equals to 20 when they have given the here it is. Here they have given 42 and here it is given box. So shall we start, children? So like how you have done, same way you have to write and you have to get the values. So you all know what is the given fraction here? It is 5 by 7. So you have to take it is 5 by 7. So now you have to see the missing numerator. So you have to see the denominator already it is given 40. So now you all know when we multiply 7 with 2. 7 with 2, you are going to get it as 40. So now we have got 40. So same number we have to multiply with numerator. So it is 5 2s are 10. So in numerator the value will be 10. So same number you have to multiply. How to multiply, children? One number we have given. With the hint of this you need to multiply. Don't simply multiply 5. Don't multiply with 3. You have to see the given number. So with that, with the help of this, you need to complete the series. Okay. Then second, 5 by 7. So again, complete 5 by 7. Again, here they have given it as 50. So in numerator they have given 50 minutes. So already in numerator you know it is 5. So what I should multiply in numerator to get 50, children? Yes, you all know 3. So you all know 3 or 5 3s are it is 50. So same you have to multiply with denominator. So what you will get, children? 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21. So that you need to write here. Okay. So this 21 you need to write here. And last what is the value, children? Again you have to take 5 by 7. So but in denominator already they have given it as 42. So with this 7, what you have to multiply to get 42? You want 7 on the, yes or no? 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are. So you want 7 6s are, it is 42. So now you have to get 42. Then same you have to multiply with numerator. So you want 7 6s are, it is 42. So 7 6s are, it is 42. And it is 5 6s are, how much it will be? 30. So here you have to write it as a 30. They are very simple, children. Please try to understand. See the video once, twice, thrice, you will get the concept. Okay? In the next class, we will continue with remaining sums related to the equivalent fraction, children. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.